Here's the app called Ditto Your Life in Lists. Notes app with friends. Turn your list into shared experiences. Ditto transforms those private lists in your Notes app into meaningful connections. Share your favorite spots, curated playlists, live lessons with people who appreciate your perspective, because the best discoveries come from real people, not algorithm. Create and curate, discover and collect, build genuine connections, make an impact. So, if you like lists, if you like Notes app and such, this is a nice social app you can check out, because maybe you creating those like fitness routine lists, or like places to travel, or like food to recipes to try, things like that. And maybe someone else is also would be interested in that, and you can create a following on this app or find new friends. So yeah, people sharing here like travel guides, wellness routines, productivity hacks, local food, moving book collections, workout plans, fitness routines. So here's how it looks like. This is the app. It kind of looks like Twitter or like Instagram, but just everything is in lists. Uh, so something like that. Then you can just report lists. You can like it. You can see comments. You can share it. So yeah, that's the app. Uh, it says invite only, but it's not invite only. Anyway, I have invite code. So here's my invite code in case you're interested. So feel free to use it. So that's that, and so there you have it. Pretty cool new app. It's in top charts in social right now. So people creating accounts. Then you can just post your list. You can find friends. You can search for different things. There is some March recap. So here is some interesting topics, hot topics, featured lists. Then you can create your post. Then there are likes, notifications, and then there is your account. That's basically the idea. So pretty cool app. Some people really like listing things. So it's kind of a niche community. But if you're one of those people, that's definitely an app for you.